For Relentless, you had a bit of a gap.
No, so I had started Relentless. So the first sort of avatar of Relentless VC was that I started doing investments from my own
Okay.
own money. So I set aside 4 crore rupees of my capital,
I
and
see.
I said I'll invest 10 15 lakh rupees, small chunks, in 20 to 25 companies, and build a thesis. And if these companies are doing well, then I will sort of, when by the time my term is over, I will step out and start a fund. I will then invite other LPs. Otherwise, I will not do that. So, in a sense, I had this cognizance that being an entrepreneur and being an investor are very different things.
Correct.
And I did not want to involve anybody else's money until I was sure that I'll make it back for them. So,
So this 4 crores, how are you going to source the deals? Were you already doing angel investing, or this was
no, I had never done angel investing before.
okay?
I had thesis, I had understanding, I had done it. I knew how to help
But you had
companies.
money after you exit.
Yeah, I had money, but I did not have sort of, even whether I'll be a good investor or not. I did not have any clear signs on that. I had not done it before.
Acha.
While I was running Auto Ninja, I did not have any money at all. So zero investment anywhere. No public equity also.
Really?
Because there's no savings also. No? So you're an entrepreneur fighting what savings? So
Today,
nothing.
this is after Series A. Most founders are investors at this point.
We come from a different time, I guess.
Yeah.
So, so anyway, that was my thing. That these 3 years I'll invest, and uh, we did that. We invested in 25 companies.
Acha.
We saw a bunch of companies. So our sourcing mostly happened from other angel investors.
I see.
I knew about. We had a large group of about 50, 60 angel investors. A lot of deals came from there. A lot of deals also came from friends, and. Uh, Out of these 25 companies, we only invested in SaaS. And again, SaaS for US markets only. I had done SaaS in I have sold software in every single town in India. Personally, I have sold software in small towns, I don't know, Dehradun, Meerut, uh,
And how were
in
you finding
Bihar,
these
Patna.
customers?
Okay, so when I was selling software for Auto Ninja, it was a small community. So we used
Right.
to sort of, dealers are a small community. So take referrals and go and sell.
Acha.
So, so because I'd sold software in every single town in India, I had a much closer sense of what is the value of a SaaS product selling in India versus what the value of a SaaS product can be selling in the US. And those values are not, they're not proportional. They're exponentially different.
Acha.
So, which is why the thesis for us was that we will invest in SaaS, but not for companies selling in India, but for companies building in India, but selling abroad,
Selling to the world.
selling in not even the world, US particularly.
Acha, US particularly. Okay. And I like how you keep saying we, because you're one of the very rare people who started with, let's say, 4 or 5 crore pool of capital, but you also got a team together.
Yeah.
I think you got Nikhil
Yes.
very fairly early in the journey.
Yeah, day one. So I was very clear that if I was going to do something like this, I was going to do it properly.
Huh.
I was not going to sort of half-ass it. So we've got together, and the thesis was exactly this: that 3 years we will do well. If we do well, only then both of us will sort of go to the market and raise money. Otherwise, will not.